Never throw these out again. They can save you hundreds of dollars. When you buy a pair of new shoes, a handbag or dried seaweed, you probably notice the small silica gel packets in them that are labeled "Do Not Eat." Most of us throw them out because we think that they have no use after the shoes have been removed from the box. However, when you read the numerous uses of these tiny bags filled with silica gel, you will definitely stop throwing them away and solve a lot of everyday problems. The different uses of silica gel bags. Prevent spices from clumping up. Kitchens are the most humid areas of the home, and this is not good for powdery ingredients like spices, but sugar as well, because it causes them to clump up. Just tape a silica bag to the spice bottle because the silica will absorb the surplus moisture and keep your spices fresh. Dry out your mobile phone. If you accidentally dropped your phone in water, you should take out the battery and memory cards and then place the phone in a bowl filled with silica gel packages. Before powering the phone, leave it in the bags for one night. Keep your documents safe. To prevent damage onto documents like birth and marriage certificates, social security cards, etc., put few silica gel bags in the envelope or box where you keep the documents. Dry clothes while on the go. If you do not have enough time to wait until your towels or bathing suits are dry, pack them with several silica bags to soak up the surplus moisture. Refresh gym bags. Always keep a couple of silica packages in your gym bag to refresh it. Namely, the silica will absorb moisture and reduce the chance for bacteria and unpleasant odor. Prevent the camera from condensation. Taking photos outdoors when the weather is cold can cause condensation of the lens or camera when you bring it into a warmer area. To solve this, remove the battery, memory card, and the lens and put the camera in a container of several silica bags that will absorb moisture. Make bulk pet food last longer. Tape a package of silica gel onto the bag's edge. Prevent tarnishing of jewelry. Unfortunately, humidity can cause the jewelry to tarnish. To avoid this, put few silica gel bags in your jewelry box. Speed up the drying of flowers. A lot of people use dried flowers for decorative purposes. However, the process of drying can be too long, and in a lot of cases, the flowers die before they actually dry completely. But you can speed up the drying if you put the flowers in a plastic bag with a couple of silica gel bags. Prevent condensation on windows. Place few silica bags onto the sills in order for them to absorb the surplus moisture. This goes for windshields as well.